A roof repair in Folsom, California, specifically the Parkway area. He had a leak coming through the entryway and let it go, and now the header beam is swelled, could even be rotten. We're gonna go up, take a look at what we got. Holy mackerel. Straight hole coming from this downspout. From the second story, all the entire second story water is coming into this downspout and funneling onto the first story, and then the mold, moss, and mud clogs up the roof to wall flashing, caused this, and go right inside the attic. So we're going to pull all this apart, put in new plywood. We'll put in a triple ply tiger paw synthetic felt. It's way stronger, lasts way longer than this asphalt saturated felt does. So we'll pull all this apart, tear out the rotten wood, put in new plywood. We don't use OSB because this is what happens with OSB. And then we'll use the tiger paw triple ply synthetic water barrier and put it all back together, and he'll never have another problem. What we're going to do is we're going to take a downspout extension down to this corner. That'll get all that water out of that area, and it'll just flow down to these last couple tiles into the gutter. 916-459-6309 or 530-344-2749. All of your roof leak repairs, roof repairs, dry rot, we got you covered in the Folsom area.